How to block in screenshot on WhatsApp profile picture. Hello everyone, this is Sabdina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first step will be updating WhatsApp to its latest version. To do so, go to your Play Store, simply search for WhatsApp Messenger. Now, if there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of WhatsApp. Now, open your WhatsApp application. Tap on this three dot, go to settings. After that, go to privacy. Now, go to profile photo and then select nobody. This will ensure or remove or block screenshot on your WhatsApp profile picture. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.